And what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Financial Chance. I know a lot of you guys are pooping your pants because of this crypto drop, so we are here to help again. Hope you guys watched the last video that we said there was going to be another dip, which happened. And again, this is not like a way to show off or whatsoever. However, technical analysis works, and that's what we're going to talk about today, on where we think crypto might be going and where we might want to take a trade. Again, if you guys didn't know, I am a reversal trader, so I would love to see crypto hit a demand again, and we'll go into it, explaining what that is and how you guys can capitalize off of it. As of right now, crypto seems like it is okay. It is still trying very hard to hold this weekly demand zone. As you can see, the first time it touched over here and it bounced for a total of, let's see, from the drop, once it hit here, it bounced back up to here. So this range as a total of minus 18%. 1 second, let me just change this up. I don't really use TradingView. I mainly use TD Thinkorswim. So I only use it because I don't well, first of all, I'm not sure if TD actually has crypto in there, and I don't know the ticker. I'm more familiar with crypto on TradingView, and also the charts are less clogged, just in case I need to show something, because if I show my regular screen, there's gonna be so many lines everywhere. Anyway, so first time we hit this demand zone, we bounced for a total of 22%. This time, this daily candle is about to close after today, but as of right now, it missed by a little bit, but it bounced for a current total of 11%. So obviously we're seeing that we're trying to hold above this weekly demand, and we must do so. If we don't hold this weekly demand level, expect us to be sold out to this bounce target, which is what I wouldn't really take this one, but yes, you're gonna get some sort of bounce here, potentially something of this sort. Again, I have to find this where's this price, the path. All right, so if we do break below this weekly demand zone, most likely we're gonna hit this demand zone, come back potentially over here, and then come down here. So I mainly want to look for a trade if we could somehow test this fresh weekly demand over here, which I expect it to bounce to this bounce target over here. That is where I might look for a long position. However, right now, again, we said regulations is what is causing this drop. And as you guys know, the current investors in Bitcoin, etc., they're new generation investors, and some of them have diamond hands. So what you might be seeing currently is that people are actually trying to hold on for dear life or buy the dip, which is something, well, everyone does it, but a lot of new investors coming in is either diamond hands or buy the dip and just hold. Obviously that's good, but in the case that they get shaken out a little and then turn into paper hands, you will get a huge sell-off. This drop was due to China saying that they're also going to crack down on Bitcoin miners, and a lot of these miners are from China. I think it's over 65% of these miners are from China. So a lot of attention is here, hence the drop. Bitcoin is really not what I'm too into. If I had to choose, I would mainly choose Ether. But again, for you guys who are in Bitcoin, this chart is for you guys. Again, let me just move myself over here. This is where I will look for a bounce to this bounce target here. We might get some sort of run, maybe like this, or even further down. Again, anything's a possibility. So again, these charts are here to help you, not to tell you to go long at a specific point. Again, I'm a trader and I speak in terms of trades, not an investor. So here I will look for a potential bounce target, targeting this area right here. which is potentially a 30% move if we could get there. So again, I'm not a crypto trader. I hate having to wait on catalysts or expecting some bearish catalyst to come, so I'm not in this. People don't realize you could have way better returns on the market, just trading stocks or options. I mean, for crypto to give you, if you guys bought at the top near 60,000, you need crypto, Bitcoin. I always just use them like together, because if you want Bitcoin to make you a 100% return and you bought at the top near 60,000, you need Bitcoin to hit 120,000 for you to get 100%. And 100% is easily obtainable in the trading world if you trade regularly and you're a successful trader. Obviously, it's not that easy to just double your money. But I'd rather trade something that has no catalyst that could potentially just crush me like crypto does. If you're an investor, again, you shouldn't really be looking at the pricing, because nothing fundamentally changed about crypto. As you can see, Ether here is basically sharing the exact same pattern. As of right now, though, I believe it is still above this 200 MA, where Bitcoin, it's below already. So you gotta be careful over there. You want to see Ether above. Ether has some good news today, I believe, in regards to reducing, I believe, transaction fees, or basically gas to conduct a transaction. Again, you want to see it hold this trend line. Hopefully it does. If not, expect a sell-off, and we will chart this together right now. I would say over here, honestly. So these are the levels below you might want to take a look at. These are the daily support and resistance lines. If we go to the 1 month, let's see how this looks. On the monthly, you really don't have much to go with, just because, as you can see, Ether had a crazy run during this year. So there's really no charts. You're going to be looking for minor bounces on the weekly and the daily. I would actually, I wouldn't even look at the daily, honestly. Let's just look at the weekly, which you could potentially see some sort of bounce over here at this 1400 level. Ether, I don't know if it would get there, because Ether's utility is way better than Bitcoin. So you might get Ether holding this level while Bitcoin actually doesn't. But again, like I said, it all comes down to the regulation. That is what the news is about. As for Ether, where I would potentially go long, if it could hold this level, as you can see, it's trying to hold it right now. This is the weekly demand level. So if, like right here, you see how it's getting wicked out right here? It's trying to hold it. If it cannot hold it, expect a sell-off down to here for a potential bounce over here. So you're looking at a potentially 23% down move for a potential bounce of around 17%. So again, that's where I would take my trade. I will wait for it to come down here if it does. If not, again, patience is what makes you a great trader. And again, I don't really trade crypto, so I will look at my stocks. But this video is for you guys. If you found any value in this, please subscribe, notifications on, comment below on what you think, where you think that crypto is gonna go. Again, I'm mainly a stock trader. This is all for you guys. I get nothing for sharing crypto, and I have no interest in crypto. So please share this with your friends, make it aware, and I'll see you guys next time. But hopefully you guys watched the prior video to mitigate your losses, because if you saw the prior video, you would have seen that there was another dip to come. So have a great day, guys. Thank you for subscribing.